We'll get this put together tonight, the reed cage and the reeds, and glue that little mold back together, get it squared away, get the sprint cart motor, put the intake and carburetor motor all back together, and move on from there. You know, the weekend's coming. Rich is going to get out here and help me get this 4-banger off that rack there behind my lay-down shifter cart, and we're going to get the sub-assembly off, get the 4-stroke motor off up on a shelf. We'll probably take the rest of the cart, take the wheels and tires off it, and then take the chassis with the brakes and stuff on it and put it in a tent out back, get it the heck out of here. We need to get Braden's new cart over here. We need to get Larry's Ren Speed over here. Those two, when we're back from Daytona, those two are going to get built together at the same time. So we got a lot to do. And we've got benches to finish and build, stuff underneath the rack that's under there, stashed in underneath these benches. Rich's cart, I think, coming over, going to go up against the wall. The wagon and all that, a bunch of this stuff probably just going to go out in a trailer for the winter. We don't want the carts out there, but we can pack the rest of this crap up in there, you know, so we can work in here. But that's it for today, November 7. I'm not bummed out about this. I thought, to be honest, I thought it was going to be a lot worse. But I knew this was going to be destroyed coming out. But as hot as it got, you saw in that other video, 272 degrees. It's hot, man. That's a big, thick piece of polyester. And it's a wonder it didn't get to smoking and burning up. Now look at this one. Still the fire engine red instead of the Ferrari red. And you know what? It didn't crack at all. There was a little water, I think, in there. But it's not sticky. It's hard as a rock, right? But it never did crack or anything. So in hindsight, if we ever do this again with maybe with the stuffer from the RVS from the sprint cart, we'll just mix it up and let it sit and only dump it into water if we feel like it's getting too hot. But I think this way it would have got good and warm, but it wouldn't have got as hot as it did when we went ahead and instigated its catalyzation with the hair dryer. As soon as it started to get warm, I should have stopped, but I didn't. I kept going and I overdid it. And I think that's why it got so hot. It got hot enough to crack. And the density. Maybe there's no way around it. I don't know. But there you go, Jake. It's not all sex and candy. It's hit and miss, man. You know, and we're down, but we're not out. We're not out. We're still going to get something out of this thing. Whether it's usable or not, you're going to have to wait another couple days. Godspeed. God bless y'all. Hang in there. I'm praying for you. It'll get better. You know why. Hang in there, man. Stay with me. Talk to y'all.